Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, December 1st. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Fully Knowing the Road. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Yogi Berra. If you come to a fork in the road, take it. Like the cones of Zen monks and the wit of Shakespeare's gestures, we may never know if the sayings of this baseball legend are utter nonsense or utter wisdom. But the longer we stay with them, the more they reveal. What this one says to me is not to stall too long at the crossroads of life, not to hesitate our way out of living. We cannot experience everything, and taking one road will always preclude another. But agonizing over which to take can eventually prevent us from knowing any road. Even when taking one road, keeping the other alive in our mind for too long is the beginning of regret. In fact, giving over to regret is a way to resist our limitations, a way to still take the other road with us. It's the heart's way to be stubborn. Ultimately, keeping the other road so actively with us only keeps us from fully knowing the road we have chosen. We are beautifully limited creatures, capable of great moments of full living, but we cannot have it all or experience it all. We can only, paradoxically, experience all there is by giving ourselves completely and humbly to the small path that we're drawn to. Wow, that's a powerful reflection, isn't it? So take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing to be changed, to be fixed right now. Your breath is fine. It's good enough just the way it is. This moment and you in this moment are good enough just the way you are. See if this reminder helps you enter a sense of spaciousness in your being, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can pass through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now consider a decision that you are currently facing. I'm sure you have a lot of ideas of how to approach this decision, a lot of options. So breathing slowly and steadily, try each of those options, each of those paths on, but only once, no more. I'll give you a minute or so for doing this. Try every option on once, as if you are walking this path and then this one, just once. And now set an intention to return to your day without replaying your choices during your day. Simply letting your deeper self tend to these things for you. How does setting this intention feel like? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, check in. What's going on for you right now? Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, remember to try not to replay the choices you tried on during this practice. Simply letting your deeper self tend to these things for you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.